English listening practice.
Hello, everyone. Let's talk about something very important today: self-confidence. Have you ever felt unsure about yourself? We all have. But self-confidence is what helps us keep going, even when things are difficult. When we believe in ourselves, we can do so much more. It's like having a secret power that pushes us forward. Self-confidence is like a muscle. The more we use it, the stronger it gets. Sometimes we doubt ourselves, and that's okay. It happens to everyone, but confidence is about pushing through those doubts and trusting that we are capable. It might feel scary at first, but taking small steps helps. Each step makes us stronger. Have you ever noticed how good you feel after doing something difficult? That's your confidence growing. Building confidence doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and practice. Start by setting small goals for yourself. Each time you reach a goal, your confidence will grow a little more. Celebrate those small wins. They are important. Confidence is not about being perfect. We all make mistakes, and that's part of life. What matters is how we deal with those mistakes. Do we give up, or do we keep going? People with confidence know that mistakes help them learn and improve. So, don't be afraid of trying and failing. Every time you try, you are already growing. Think about a time when you felt proud of yourself. Maybe it was when you finished a project or learned something new. That feeling comes from knowing you did something good. Confidence is built from moments like this. So, the more you try, the more confident you become. Now, imagine how different your life could be if you believed in yourself a little more every day. What would you try next? What could you achieve with just a bit more confidence? Thank you so much for listening. Remember, a little more confidence every day can make a big difference in your life.